Hello! Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. A lot of you guys are asking me how I edit this, and this, and what application I used to edit those pictures. So for today, guys, as you can see by the title, I will be teaching you on how you can cartoonize your photo using a free application. And credits to the person who posted this tutorial on Facebook. I also followed her steps. So let's go. So for today, we will be using Picsart. So this is a free application that is available on both iOS and Android. And the good thing about this one, because we don't need any premium subscription to be able to edit those photos. First step is to open Picsart if you already installed it. Then go ahead and click the plus sign to start a new project. And then select all photos and find a photo that you would like to edit and go ahead and select that. And click the FX effects. Select Magic and then click on Undead. As you can see, it turns black and white, so we will add some colors to the picture. Click the 3 circles and then adjust the fade to 55. Go ahead and click the eraser tool. You can erase the parts that you want to look natural. So in this picture, I will erase the face part to give it a natural look. Go ahead and click apply once done. On this part, you can change the things you don't like. So you can change the hair color, the makeup, and everything that you'd like to change. So on this project, I'll just change the eyebrows. I'll go ahead and put some eyebrow sticker to make it look natural. Make sure to put the sticker eyebrows in place so it will look natural. And you can also erase the excess part using the eraser tool. Click apply to save it once done. Then go ahead and cut out the object once done. Then select the arrow to proceed. You can use the brush tool to add the parts that you missed, or the eraser tool to erase the excess parts. Then go ahead and save it once you're done, and just make sure that the sticker mark is on so you can use it later. Start a new project, scroll down and go to color backgrounds, select the white one, then click on stickers, go to my stickers, select cutouts, and then find the sticker that we saved earlier and click on that. You can resize it to your preferred size. Go ahead and click on apply when you're done. Then click on add photo. On this project, I will use a dripping effect. You can Google any design of your choice, resize it and align it to the part that you want to put the dripping effect. Next is click blend and select lighten, then apply. On this part, you can add whatever design you want. On this project, I'll use bling stickers and heart crown for the design. Make sure to select apply after adding stickers. You can play with opacity, which is like the visibility of the sticker. Then when you're done, apply. And to finalize this project, go ahead and add some effects. To add on effects, go ahead and select FX effects. Click on artistic, then select oil painting and adjust the amount to 15. Click apply when you're done. And we also need to add another effect. Click FX, then select HDR and adjust the unsharp to 20, then apply. select FX, then click on Dodger and adjust the fade to 50, and after that apply. And finally, for the last effect, we need to go to FX again and then click on noise and adjust the amount to 5. And by the way, you can also add whatever filter or effect you would like to add. And when you're done, click on apply and then save it. And voila, we're done. This is the finished project.